Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm talking about how to use Rednote app on your device. For you as a beginner, the first thing you have to do is to go to your Play Store app if you're making use of Android and download Rednote app. If you're making use of an iPhone, you just have to go to your App Store and download Rednote app. The next thing is to create an account on Rednote. So I will drop in a video tutorial on how to do that on this video. The next thing you have to do is to head straight to your Rednote app, log into your Rednote and click on the Me icon found at the bottom of your screen. Click on the three lines found at the top left corner of your screen. Clicking on the top left corner, you're just going to take you to this phase of your Rednote where you have to click on settings options. Clicking on setting option, you just have to click on general setting and click on language. So on language, you just have to click on English so that you'll be able to understand what the Chinese, you'll be able to translate it to Chinese. So I'm going to leave it on English and head back to my profile. So now the next thing you have to do on your Me icon is to click on your profile icon. Clicking on your profile icon here, you just have to update your profile. Type in your name, your date of birth, your gender, your job, your age, and education. You just type in, and you're going to see option for you to also update your background if you want to, and you save. So the next thing you have to do on your Rednote app is to go to your So the next thing you have to do is to click on the plus icon found at the bottom of your screen. So clicking on it, you'll be able to post your photos on your Rednote app. You just have to select the particular photo you want to post, and you just have to follow the due process. Click on next. To if you want to make use of music for the photo, you just have to be selected. Just click next and also click on next. If you want to add music, you can add hashtag and also add the title photo and click on post. So the next place you're going to go is your home page. Just click on your home page. So on my home page, what I have to do here is you can see different live stream that will have on home page. If you want to select any of the live stream, just have to click on it. If you can go select the nearby live stream. You can also select the people you're following, their live stream. If you have anybody you're following and you want to join the live stream, you can see it from this option here. So that is it on how to explore your home page. So the next thing you're going to do is for you to click on your shop option, which is the next option after our home page. So here you can see different products that have been sold on the Rednote app. Just select the particular product you want to buy and you can now buy it, pay the amount, and you can buy it. We'll have the next option here on your home page. You can still comment on people's video. You can comment on people's video, you can comment on people's photo, share their photos, send stickers to them, and also click on the translate option in order to translate the Chinese language to English. Just like this Chinese that I just translated to English, so you can read it and understand what it has to say there. So you can also comment. You can see the different comments in this video. So guys, that is it for how to comment, how to share, how to send sticker on your Rednote. The other option called the message icon, and this option you can send message, comment on people, send message to people, and also send comments to people, send a like, send your collects on this option here on message icon. So have the next one, which is called the search icon found at the top right corner of your screen. You just have to click on the search icon. Clicking on it, you can now search for different things, just like let me type in fashion style. So this is the different kind of fashion style we have on Rednote. You can swap in order to get more, scroll to get more fashion. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. on how to use Rednote app on your device. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get helpful tips like this.